Welcome back to Art with Mrs. Allen. One of our favorite things to do when we're not making art is to play stringed instruments.
Such as the ukulele.
So we thought it'd be fun today to teach you guys how to draw a ukulele. For this project, you're going to need
a pencil, a piece of paper, and something to color with. We're going to use our Prismacolor pencils to color these pieces.
So grab your supplies, remember to pause, and let's get started. Starting with a pencil, I like to first mark the top and the bottom of the ukulele with a line so that I don't run out of room for all of the instrument. Also, go ahead and make a mark about halfway on your page. Now, starting from the halfway mark, draw the body of your ukulele with curved lines, kind of a peanut shape.
Next, draw a short line from the top of the body and then draw another curved line parallel to the body. Create a headstock for the ukulele at the top of the page.
Draw 4 small circles on the headstock for the eyelets for the strings.
Again, draw a short line and parallel line to the head.
Draw 2 short horizontal lines by each eyelet. Then draw an oval on the end to create your 4 tuning pegs.
Draw 2 long vertical lines for the neck of the ukulele. And again, a parallel line to make the neck three-dimensional. Draw a circle inside of the body for a sound hole.
Draw a rectangle at the bottom of the body for the bridge, and an even smaller one inside that for the saddle.
Starting from each of the small circles on the head, draw long vertical lines for the 4 strings stopping at the bridge.
To create the fretboard, now draw horizontal lines that get closer together as you draw them down the neck. You can add the fret markers by drawing tiny circles between the frets. To color. Start with cream for the tuning pegs, nut, and saddle. Next, we used light ochre for the neck to get a gray-brown.
pencil for the eyelets, strings, and frets.
We used burnt ochre to color the head and the body of the uke to make it look the most like wood. Finally, using dark umber, color in the sound hole, the bridge, and you can add a dark wood inlay like my ukulele has.
I decorated the background with silver and gold and musical notes.
Hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you next time.